going to show you how to make a paper spring. This is a paper spring. See, it opens up like that. These are all paper springs. This is a paper spring that, well, it's a bunch of paper springs glued together. So, the way you make them is start with a regular piece, 2 regular pieces of copy paper, and cut off 2 strips that are the same width. Doesn't really matter how wide they are as long as they're the same. So what I want to do is glue them together so they're exactly so they make a corner. So they line up exactly. I put a little glue on that, and here they are. It's not exact. Let's get it exact. There it goes. They line up exactly together to make this corner. It could be like an L or a V or however you choose to see it. Doesn't matter which one is on top, which color is on top. I like to put the lighter color on top because what I'm going to do now is I'm going to put a happy face here. Right in the corner. And that's actually important. Another thing I'm going to do is notice that if this line continued straight down, that line continued straight down, it actually makes a square. And it makes a square because the width of these two are exactly the same. And what we want to notice that square because this whole thing is going to fold down underneath this little square, and that's what's going to make the paper spring. So the way you start is you make a fold where that line is and bring it behind. Now the key here is we go in a pattern with the light, with this yellowish paper and this pink paper. First the yellowish one goes down under, and then the pink one goes under. And we keep going yellow, pink, yellow, pink. We just keep pushing it back. We never fold it over and cover the happy face. Oh no. We just keep folding underneath. Yellow, pink, until you get to the very end. And here's the very last piece. Boom. Now sometimes it doesn't go this perfectly, and you end up with these little flaps. It doesn't matter. You just keep folding them back, just the way you were doing before. In both cases, take the glue, put a little bit of glue, and close it up. Same thing here. Take a little bit of glue, fold it over, and look, you've got your paper spring. And you've got another paper spring. And if you keep making them, you'll have lots and lots of paper springs. So there it is.